Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. So today's video is going to be a subscription unboxing, but I've only got two so far, so I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I'm just going to do them as I get them. If you guys like it better this way, please comment down below. If you don't like it, if you like it better with all of them in the video, comment down below. Let me know how you like them, so I can know how to do it every month. Because for the past couple months, I've been doing them all. Like, it's been like a 40-minute video. And also let me know if you like them try on style, or if you want it to be just me opening them and me continue to do my full face sample video. So okay, let's just get started, and I guess we'll do Morpheme since it's sitting on top of the Birchbox box. Birchbox box. Okay, loves. So we have Morpheme. I love this subscription. It's a brush subscription, as most of you know, and both of these are, of course, they're monthly, obviously, and this one I think is $20 a month, or $250 or $239. I don't know. I'll have my referral link if I have one, which I think I do for both. Everything is listed down below, and all the information about it is in that link too, so it'll tell you everything. They're pretty affordable, so I mean, this one is more expensive than the Birchbox. It's about $20-ish a month. I did the annual. I signed up for the annual when they first did it a couple years ago because I wanted the 350 palette. Yeah, so. Or maybe it was the Jaclyn Hill palette that they were coming out. Whichever one it was one of their brand new palettes that all the YouTubers were talking about, so. Okay, so let's just get into this little bag. And now this subscription, you get like $30 worth of brushes or so every month. Like, you might like 3 to 8 brushes, and it's like retails for like $30+. So I got 3 brushes this month. So that means that these 3 brushes retail for at least $30. Of which I have something like this already. It's their G42. From their like gunmetal collection. I have something like this. Yep, I have the bigger one. It's the Morphe. It doesn't even say a name on it, but yes, you see the difference. There's this one's like big old mama jama, and this one's like little big baby. So basically a contour brush, like split your cheek in half, which I actually did a contour video not too long ago. If it's up by now, I will link it in the cards, and if not, then stay tuned, my love. Okay, and then this is a Morphe G5, which kind of looks a little bit like a setting powder sort of thing. Really pretty. I mean, it's brushes. Come on. Okay, and this next one, it looks like a duo fiber sort of brush, which I actually did not have a brush like this, so I'm kind of excited. It's the Morphe G39. This is awesome. I kind of want to open this and see. So it's like a blush brush. See, it's like dual fiber. It's a Morphe G39. Okie dokie. So that tells me that these brushes were kind of pricey. If I only got 3, I wonder how much they retail for. It doesn't say in this book, but it does tell you what each one is. Ooh, and look at the beauty. She's so pretty. Okay. The Pointed Powder G5. Set your base with this silky pointed powder brush. Its tapered point allows for perfect powder application. You can also apply your blush and bronzer with these plush bristles, giving you a fresh face look all through 2018. And Deluxe Foundation G39. Oh, okay, so it's like a stippling. Okay, that was the last brush I just showed you. To get that flawless look for your New Year's Eve party, start with this Deluxe Foundation brush. Its dual fiber bristles will give you an airbrush finish that will look smooth as the year ahead. Okay, and a 1-inch flat contour, G42. Effortlessly define your features with this thin, flat top contour brush and look like a brand new you. These soft yet firm bristles will help you stay snatched all year with precise control. Okay, alright, so that was it for that subscription unboxing, and yeah, alright peoples, and now it's time for Birchbox. Yes. And this is really light, so I must not have got too heavy of stuff, or I don't know. I already saw my mom's because she wanted me to look at her stuff, so yeah. Oh my god. Birchbox, I love you, but these boxes are so hard to open. And I don't have a pair of scissors in here. Finally. Okay, so me and my mom got the same box. Or got the same box pattern. I don't know if we got the same box. Okay. Find your happy. Okay. And I got the first thing I see is a Tokyo Milk Light Awaken Within Eau de Perfume. I mean, I like perfume, but I don't really like getting them. And this is empty. Pretty sure. This is empty. Okay. That's fine. Alright. The inside of my box is not wet. I don't understand. Okay. Whatever. I guess I'll just get thrown away. Whatever. I'm not really worried about it. Okay, so my mom did get this. The Beauty Crop. It looks like a matte and 2 shimmers. So it's called Love You So Latte. Okay. Has anybody tried that? Let me know. Guess I'll put that in my samples box. And my mom got this too, the Badlands RCO Dry Shampoo Paste, which I don't know that I'll be using. I mean, maybe. I doubt it. Okay, and a Hydro Bio Serum. Oh, this is good. Bioderma. This is it's for very dehydrated and sensitive skin. This is going to be awesome. Apply it onto the face and neck in the morning and or the evening after cleansing. Use alone or before applying a Hydro Bio skin product. Skincare. Okay, dokie. Now that I'm excited. I love serums. And this, I think I actually already have this. Ooh, not this color. I'm not big on purple, but it may not show up as purple. I have one that's already, it's like a clear pink color. So, let's see. Okay, so, Aero Exclusive, Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm, and Berry Busy. It retails for $14. This ultra hydrating formula magically adjusts to your lips pH to create a flattering deep pink hue that's unique to you. Oh, okay. So, okay, I may not hate the purple since it's going to turn my lips a pretty pink. Okay. Then Bioderma Hydro Bio Serum, full size, $24.90. Not too bad. Like a drink of H2O for your face, the serum has hyaluronic acid and glycerin for a hydration boost, and the brand's aquagenum complex to maintain moisture. That's amazing. I love serums, especially hydrated ones like that. So, and R&CO Badlands Dry Shampoo Paste, full size, $28. Part dry shampoo, part texturizer. This paste offers max style with little effort. Rub a small amount between fingertips and apply at roots to quickly absorb oil and add volume. Okay, I mean, I might try it. I don't know. I doubt it, though. The Beauty Crop Espresso Yourself Eyeshadow Trio. Full size, $29.90. This trio from the Java-inspired Espresso Yourself eyeshadow palette makes creating subtle or smoky looks easy. Plus, coffee extract in the formula helps reduce puffiness on the eyelids. Oh, okay. That's cool. And then the little eau de perfume that was Empathy. Okay, Tokyo Milk Light, Awaken Within, full size is $42. The citrusy fragrance mix orange blossom and nearly with a hint of jasmine, which makes for a bright, beautiful scent every time your nose catches a whiff. Okay, and that one was empty, but whatever, it's okay. Okay, so that was it for that unboxing. I'm not sure what else is going to be next. I did get confirmation of the shipment of my other ones. I think I got shipment about IPSY today, and I think GLOSSYBOX. But like I said, when they come in, I'll do those too. So yeah. Okay, so I think that's it for this unboxing, and so let me know down below if you like the subscription boxes done like this, like maybe one or two at a time, or if you like them all in one video. If you want it to be long and lengthy, or you want it to be short and sweet, let me know in the comments down below, and I will do whatever you want. Okay, and let me know what else you want me to do besides this. Alright, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, of course, if you haven't already. I do try my best to upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so please come on back to my channel for new content on those days. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.